Hello and welcome to our introduction to our Pig, a dice game. This is a finished version. It has the rules. It has player one with a dice, a turn score, and a total score. Obviously, I've been playing the game already. Right now, player one is leading player two, 47 to 11. I've got it set so that the final score is 50, but the second player always gets a chance. This project was designed by one of my students, and special thanks goes to him for that. I did the video for Universal Windows application of a dice game called Pig. If you get 1, you get 0 for your turn score. So right now I have 47. I only need 50. So I got 2. I hit a 1. So I got 0, and I stayed at 47. And you'll notice that the turns to red buttons when the player is active. He got a 1. I needed 4. That's all I needed. He still gets a chance here, so we're going to hit. And I need a lot of points. So I got a 1. So player 1, 51 to 11. And it shows a dancing pig, and it says player 1 wins. If player 2 wins, it says player 2 wins and the same dancing pig. We've got a reset button, which makes the rules come back up. All the extras, you do not have to have rules. It would also be cool. You could add, if you wanted, what you want the score to go to. So you could have an input text box for that, and you'd have to have a button as set score and then a reset button. All right, so good luck. Follow the video tutorials. I tell you as much as you need, and some of it you have to figure out on your own. Thanks for watching.